Here we are building some seats using Bowling Brothers DIY seat bracket kit. As you can see, these are some seat brackets and they come as a kit. And you get some plywood, mark your holes, bing bang boom, send it out for upholstery. I'll show you when we get them bolted together, but so far pretty sweet. Little unboxing videos there. Oh, yes, this is what you get. You get your brackets, you get your bag of hardware. It's a seat in a box. Or you can just sit on the box, which would be a lot easier, but so far this is pretty easy. So everything comes in here. It comes with your plastic washers for this, for where it swivels on it. This is bolstered if you use the cardboard. Yeah. It has, you can adjust the recline by the set screw and that, which is pretty cool.
Use an impact.
Yeah, use an impact on that and really strip her when you run her in there.
It really gets on you doing that.
Yeah, sure does. Oh, I thought we were going to drill some holes.
I can't.
Comes with these for your plywood.
Oh, man.
And it comes with all the hardware, so.
All hardware you can.
No software, just the hardware. Pretty cool.
13 and a half. Well, it was
Oh, well, we were a 16th off on the other seat.
not my fault. Probably the guy that cut the wood.
Oh, here's a funny story.
Make
We,
our life easier.
we got this wood at Lowe's, and they will cut it for you.
They sure will.
There's these two kids. One of them didn't want to measure because he said he wasn't good at measuring. So the other kid measured it. As in the kid that wasn't good at measuring, he cut it. Only he didn't cut on the marks. So each piece was different. And they're all the wrong size. So when we were leaving, Jimmy was like, "Hey, you guys just saved us all a lot of work." But not really, because we came home and still had to set up the table saw and recut them all and then make them all the same size. So that was pretty helpful of them. And that's my story.
You're sticking to it. It's toasty.
So don't let Lowe's cut your wood. Unless maybe there's an old guy there. But the two kids didn't seem to.
He can't see the face.
That's true.
So either way, moral of the story is don't let Lowe's cut your wood.
And we went back. They ripped it down to one dimension for us, and we were just going to cut the other ones ourselves. And then we were like, oh, yeah,
That's a great idea.
The great idea is seeing if they just do all the cuts. Excellent choice. Anyways.
I went along with all the great ideas. I'm going to ask them. I still had to get the table saw out.
There's one seat assembled. We have it spaced up with 2x4s, so it's 1.5 inches off of the floor, which is about what the slide. I found two different kinds of sliders. one's are Speedway sells some that are 1.5 inches tall, so I went with this. You can also get some Sparco ones that are 1 inch. So we're probably going to make this put it on sliders just so we can both drive it. Even though I can drive it fine where Angel likes it. So now that we got the seat, we can move the brake pedal to where we want it. Steering column's good, and figure out the gas pedal. And yeah, I guess the next major hurdle is the fuel tank figuring outage. Steering is figured out and hooked up. Just have to finish the firewall. Tranny tunnel up there. Ordered new drag link tie rod from Derek. Because now this one's too short and we're getting stainless ones now. Ordered a chrome axle, some other chrome shocks, and then we're going to send them. We're going to get some other stuff chromed when we tear it down for paint.
Next week.
Paint and powder coat. Powder coat? Remember you used to say powder coating all the time?
Powder coat. Next week.
So anyways, so far,
This next week.
these are pretty sweet. Go ahead. buy you some and build you some seats.
And have Lowe's cut your wood.
Yeah, and have those get you wood. Turbo, do the seats work? Pretty good? Could use some more cushion. Yeah? So serious.
It's very serious.